What about Free Britney, the whole Britney Spears case? I have to ask you, Gloria. I mean,
I'm not involved in that, although I did represent someone against Britney some years ago. It is hard for anyone who has a conservatorship imposed upon them by the court. In other words, someone else is in charge of, whether it's her health care or economic affairs or both or just one. It's hard to get that lifted. It's a matter of proof. And Britney has her fans and they have a right to demonstrate. I don't think it makes any difference with the court, but they have a right to have their free speech.
I mean, right, because that's what I've heard about conservatorships. I mean, again, I am a lawyer, but it's been a long time since I practiced. So since you're here, the expert, I mean, is it like, do you think she'll ever be free?
I have no idea. It's a matter of proof, and it's a matter of whether the court will decide that she's capable of handling her own affairs or not. And then it's also the issue of, if she's not, who is going to be the conservator? Courts are very involved in making sure that when there is a conservatorship, that, you know, that the conservators are fulfilling their, what we call their fiduciary duties, their legal duties to the person whose legal affairs they are overseeing.
Right.
So I'm not concerned about that.
Well, what if she called you for help? Would you take Britney as a client?
I don't handle conservatorships, so no, I would not. The thing about me is, I know what I know what I don't know. I don't pretend to know everything. And I think lawyers who get involved and just do anything and everything are looking for trouble and taking a lot of risks they shouldn't be taking.
And doing
I know what I know.
Reasons.
I know how to handle cases of rape and sexual harassment and sexual abuse and discrimination. And that's what I do. That's my area of expertise. We also had an incredible result recently where we represented 72 women who were sexually abused by Dr. Tyndall at USC, University of Southern California. And there was a settlement, a global settlement, I think for 702 or so plaintiffs. We were part of that, and was over $700 million. So we were just thrilled that we obtained an incredible, wonderful result for our clients, who, again, were very brave to have filed this. And so
that's great.
That's an area that we also know.